Please subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Healthy Wealthy. This is Shweta Srivastava. So, have you or any of your family members ever experienced problems like indigestion, stomachache, heartburn, bloating or acidity? If yes, then today's video is for you. In this video, I will tell you some of the very simple recipes or steps that can help you speed up your digestive process. So let's first discuss the problem. Any food that we eat should be fully digested through our digestive system with the help of digestive juices or digestive enzymes. However, the problem arises in cases when our food is partially digested or remains undigested. It leads to a number of health issues, for example, acidity, gastric distress, bloating, stomach aches, and heartburn, to name a few. So, according to Ayurveda, Agni, the digestive fire, is responsible for the digestive process. Several spices, as we know, that there is cinnamon, cardamom, ajwain, and then fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mint, and others are known to speed up the digestive process. So additionally, there are certain yoga asanas that help improve the digestive process and help in gastric emptying. Gastric emptying is simply means the process of food passing down the stomach and down from the stomach to the gut or intestine. So these asanas help the food to pass through the stomach easily. In this video, I will tell you some of the simple steps or natural recipes that you can easily adapt to speed up your digestive process and accelerate the process of food passing through the stomach or gastric emptying. So coming to the first recipe, which is tulsi tea. So for making tulsi tea, you can take 4 to 5 tulsi leaves and infuse them in a cup of water. You can sip this tulsi tea before and after meals to stimulate appetite and reduce gastric trouble and bloating. Tulsi tea is very helpful to increase digestion by increasing the flow of gastric juices in the stomach. Then coming to the next one, which is fresh yogurt drink, or you can say like masala chas. And you can take a glass of fresh yogurt and add a little rock salt and cumin powder into it, and drink this yogurt, a glass of yogurt, in between or after meals. This will help you stimulate the power of digestion. Then coming to the third one, which is Triphala. So you might have heard about Triphala powder. So this is an age-old remedy for stomach.
Please subscribe my channel.
Stomach problems, constipation, and others. About half to 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder can be mixed into 500 ml of warm water to prepare a concoction. This Triphala drink helps speed up the digestive process, and you can also add a little honey into this concoction, Triphala concoction, to enhance its flavor. Then coming to the fourth one, which is lukewarm water. Drinking plain lukewarm water after a meal helps quickly start the digestive process. So it is a very simple but effective remedy for to enhance your digestion. And then coming to the fifth one, which is digestive tea. So my dear friends, to make digestive tea, you can take 2 cups of water and add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder or 1 small cinnamon stick. Then you can add half teaspoon of mint powder, or fresh mints are always preferable. Then but you can use whichever is available. And then also add 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds into this water. Then squeeze 1 lemon and add 1 teaspoon of honey as required into the tea. The tea is now ready to drink. Drinking this digestive tea after a meal stimulates the digestive process and relieves bloating. So coming to the next one, which is apple cider vinegar. So drinking apple cider vinegar before or after a meal helps boost metabolism. So you can dilute apple cider vinegar by mixing it into the water and then consume this drink up to twice a day, this promotes passing food down to the gut. Then fennel seeds. There are some spices like fennel seeds, cardamom seeds, or elaichi, and then betel leaves like pan leaves. So these are a very simple ingredients which are known to be effective to quick start the digestive process. So you can just chew these seeds like fennel seeds or cardamom seeds and even betel leaves just after a meal. These ingredients are considered to be effective in digesting food. So coming to the last one, which is an asana, a yoga asana known as Vajrasana. So sitting in Vajrasana for about 15 minutes help pass down food from the stomach into the intestine. And alternatively, you can also have a walk of at least 100 steps after meals. So it will also help you improve blood flow and quick start the digestive process. So apart from these, there are a few other important practices that you should know. For example, that you should avoid drinking too much of water just before, in between, or after a meal, as it dilutes the digestive process, as it dilutes the digestive enzymes which are known to digest the food. So this will ultimately slow down the digestive process. Then you should also stay away from the refrigerated food or drinks. Then, however, sipping lukewarm water in between meals will help you speed up the digestive process. So additionally, meal timings are very important. Meal timing is an important factor in maintaining digestive health. So taking heavy meals at odd hours may cause digestive troubles such as heartburn, bloating, nausea, and even headache. So in order to avoid digestive troubles, it is always advisable to take proper meals at the right time to retain good health and even to achieve long life, or you can say Ayushman. So my dear friends, this was it for today. I hope you enjoy my video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe my channel.